Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how you can create hundreds of Shopify ready ad creatives just like this, and these under 2 minutes with the help of Claude Code. So all these images that you can see here are generated by one Claude skill that I am going to give you in this video. So the problem we are trying to solve here is that most Shopify owners can relate that Shopify owners need ad creatives too often. They need multiple ad creatives to test on their multiple products in on ads. But hiring a designer, hiring a graphic designer can be extremely expensive, and also it takes days and weeks to get only few creatives. But through this skill, we can generate unlimited number of ad creatives for our product in just some minutes. So let's see how we can utilize this skill in our workflow. So for that, first we have to install Claude Code in our system. I already have downloaded the Claude Code, so you can go here on code.claude.com and you can easily choose whatever your OS is. I mean, after you will successfully install Claude Code into your PC, you can simply go over to this platform key.ai. I will give its link in the description, and we need its API key. So basically what we are going to do here is that we are creating images by Nano Banana 2, and for Nano Banana API I think this is the best platform. So as you can see here, we have multiple models on different image models. I used Nano Banana in this whole skill, but you can even take it to your own favorite model. Like GPT Image 2 is recently launched. You can try it with that too. But for API key, you just have to come here, go to market, and come here in API keys and just create a new API key and give it a name, YouTube, and hit create, and then copy it. And now after that, you have to come over to my school community and download the resource file for that particular skill and hit on zip and download it from here. Once you have successfully downloaded the skill file, then just unzip it and come over to its main directory, where you will find the skill.md, our main file, and .claude and .scripts. And in scripts, you have to open it, and in scripts, you will find .env.example file. Now, what we have to do is copy it and paste it, and here rename it as .env and hit enter. And after it, just open it in a notepad or any text editor. And once you open your env file, just paste your API key that we just copied from KaiAI and paste it here. I- Instead of your key, paste the key here, and now you are good to go. You just need to open your Claude Code or your Claude terminal. So I opened the Claude Code in anti-gravity. So now what we can do is type a simple prompt in your Claude Code that save the generate add creative skill in my global skills and hit enter. Now what this command will do, this is a simple command in which we are saying to save our generate that creative skill into global skills. So whenever you want to use your skill on any folder of your PC, it will work. Currently, this will only work in this folder, but if you want to make and run it on any folder or any path in your system, then you have to install it in your global skills. And once it is done, just come over to your Shopify store and open any product page. Or if you don't have any Shopify store, you can test it on someone else's Shopify store. Like I am doing it here, and just copy the link of the product page. Let's say I will copy this link of this product and come to Claude Code again. This just press slash and write your command name, which is generate as creatives, generate, and here it is, generate as creatives. And now write how many products as creatives you want. So let's say I want four as creatives. You can go for 40, up to you. Let's say generate four as creatives for this product, and then paste product link, not this, and press enter. After that, wait couple of minutes. Okay guys, our ad creatives are finally done, but it is somehow saved all the images in global directory, which is not that we want. So if you face similar issue, just type in this simple command, save it in this folder, and it will save it in your folder. And now let's see the result. Let me close it. Yeah, as you can see. And next, not bad. It is also not bad. And wow, it's looking cool. So yeah, these are the four ad creatives that we have generated. Now you can go up to 40, 50, any amount. Okay guys, that is it for today's video. Now you have this generate ad creative skill. Now you can create ad creatives for any Shopify product, and you can even sell it as a service or use it for your own. Now if you like this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one.